Well, we got this off here. Everything looks pretty good. We're leaking a little bit of oil there, but that's all good. I really love this little reservoir nipple here. That thing just looks so cool. I love that antique style. One thing I just want to mention, guys, is I've had people help me out with my bikes before, and I've been excessively disappointed because they have lost screws, nuts, bolts. I don't know where the hell anything goes, and gosh damn it if it ain't the most frustrating thing to try and find a vintage screw or something that would be comparable to something like this here. Like I turned you guys on to Bike Bandit before. They do have schematics and diagrams to further show you where these things go and how to find them and where to buy them. My suggestion to you is when you take something out, put it back in. Put it right back into where it went, because man, if you start laying stuff around, you get all stupid about it, and then you're like, oh gosh, well, which way did this go? Which way did the gasket go? Where did this go? How did that go? Where is it? Who's to blame? So if you're doing a project by yourself, you don't have anybody else to blame. So my suggestion is, where applicable, just put this right back in there. As I showed you earlier, this was taken off the frame, and I don't really want to lose this. So you know what? Now I know that I've got this one piece right exactly where I need it. When I pull this unit back out to clean it up and everything's going to be attached to it the way that it needs to be attached. I'm not going to be questioning, gosh, where did this go? Where did that go? What's this random screw for? Because I'll tell you, I've gotten bikes back from people that have fixed them. No go. All bad. I've gotten bikes back with pieces left over. And I'm going to tell you right now, guys, there are no pieces left over when something is given to you as a whole project. There's not one piece that should be left over. So I just want to give you guys a little bit of an idea of what I do when I'm trying to get this stuff done. I'm basically going to do my darndest just to kind of note where the connectors were. I know the rear end went into here. I know this is exactly for that oil reservoir. So what I'm going to do on some spots, not this one particularly because that's pretty easy to figure out where that went back into there. On some spots where I'm like, gosh, I might not remember exactly where things went and I don't want to look it up, I'm just going to put a little piece of tape, on that spot there, or, say on a line like this, I'm just going to say, hey, you know what? Put a little piece of tape on there. It doesn't hurt to label things. It will really help you when you're putting stuff back together. Now that we're in the light, instead of yesterday when it was a little bit darker, you can kind of see more of the condition of this bike. It really does have quite a bit of dust, and it's going to need a full wash down. It's got spider webs and all kinds of stuff. Well, there's the doorbell. Better go.